Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix auto post when possible issue in Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now there are three total solutions that I'm going to tell you in this video. The first one is to check your network connection, and if your network is not working, just simply reset your network setting into your phone. If your Instagram auto post when possible still not working, then the second solution here is to go into your Play Store application and from there search Instagram and update your Instagram application from here, and after doing that your Instagram will start working again. Now third and last solution here is to go into your settings and clear the app cache. Just simply go into settings and find Instagram into your app settings, and into here select the storage option and you will get this clear cache option. You just simply have to click into this clear cache option, and after that your problem will most likely be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.